This afternoon, we will learn the different family of the birds. So, let's begin with the raptor or the birds of prey. First, we have the European kestrel. Names Astro. European kestrel, a kestrel commonly found in the southern Africa, Europe, and Middle East. And as you can see, they are small birds of prey because they only weigh 120 grams up to 200 grams. But their attitude make up their small size. And kestrel often is seen hunting alongside of motorways, waiting for the small mammals like a vole or mice that they eat off their body. So this is astro. And next we have the desert eagle owl. So everybody knows all the owls are nocturnal, but you will know their hunting time by looking at the color of their eyes. Like here we have jets, have an orange color. Means they're active during the day, and that is diurnal. If that yellow means they're active during the dusk and dawn when the sun rises or the sun goes down. If the black, brown, or dark brown means they are active during the night. That is the nocturnal. And they doesn't have eyeballs like us, but their head can rotate up to 270 degrees. And this is Jane. So now you can take a closer look with our raptor family. First we have Astro. Then, of course, we have the desert eagle owl, Jane, and raptor are the meat eaters. They use their feet instead of the beak to hunting or capture their prey. And they have exceptional good vision, hearing, and sense of smell. So most of the birds of prey use that senses to hunting their prey. So everybody give a big round of applause for the birds of prey. Next, let's move to the different family of the birds that we familiar around us. And we are use them as a pet. You know what the family is? Parrot family. So let's travel back in time. During the olden days when there's no internet, telephone, smartphone, or any little mode of communication like we have today, people were using animals, especially birds, to send messages with one place to another. How they do that? People will grab some pieces of the paper, roll the note, roll them up, give to the bird, and then release the bird. And this afternoon you guys very lucky because I will show to you how to do it. So, because of that, I need a volunteer to help me to receive the bird. Yes, I will pick. I will pick the volunteer. Okay, come on. You can go upstairs. Here. You stand here. Turn around so we can move left. Okay. Sorry, can you please sit down? Does your cameraman or? Okay. Please sit down, sit down. Okay. Now stretch your hand. Let's form Ollie. Here we go. We have Ollie, our Gala Kakadu, originally from Australia. Bring this back, Ollie. Yes, one more time. One more time. Good job. This. Okay, thank you very much. You can sit back. Now, I need another volunteer. So, yes, you. Please help me to hold this book. Turn Okay, like this, don't move, okay? How flexible birds can be. In the wild, when they are trying to escape from predators, they will look for the narrow spaces that the body can fit in. Regardless the wingspan, they can go through it. Thank you very much. You can sit back. Give a big round of applause for Ollie and the volunteer. Next, let's meet the small stars that Ollie. So who they are? Let's call Ali and Baba. Oh wow. Wait, don't try to touch. You can go Ali. Very good. So they are, Ali and Baba is the sun conure. They call sun conure because the color is close by the colors of the sun. Like you see now, they still dominant green because they are only less than 1 year. It's okay. Don't try really close. But when they are grown to adult, all of this feather will change to the yellow. That's what they call sun conure. And this small parrot is really incredible noise. They can reach 120 decibels, and human can reach or hear 130 decibels. Yes, too loud. So this is Ali, this is Baba. Ali and Baba. One more. Okay, finish. Let's go back. This last. Okay. Finish school. Let's go back. Come on. Bye-bye. Back to home. Give a big round of applause for Ali and Baba. Next, let's have a competition. During the breeding season, most of tropical birds will look for the hollow tree bark or the tree cavity like this. The female will incubate the egg and the male will look for the food that feed the babies inside this tree trunk. But when the egg hatches, of course, the female also will go out, look for the food and feed the baby. So now we have African grey parrot. This is named Toto and this is Frida. To make this competition more fun, I will divide you to choose these birds. Okay? Ready? Okay. For you, 1, 2, 3, 4. You will choose for Toto and say Toto, Toto. Okay, keep it. And 1, 2, 3, and small one 4. You will choose for Frida. And say, Frida, Frida, Frida. Yes, okay. Good luck, Chucky. Okay. Everybody ready, set, and let's go. Choose your bird. Say, Toto. Toto. Yes, Frida. Frida. I know Frida will win. Yeah! Oh, it's a time! It's a time! Let's do it again. Let's see who is the real winner or is the chicken. Okay, everybody set and let's go! Come on! Choose your bird! Frida! Frida! Toto! Toto! Okay, let's strawberry! Oh, wow! Wow, good job, Toto. Yes, the winner is Toto! Give a big round of applause for our African grey parrot. So, everybody, do you want to see more birds? Yes? I cannot hear you. come in a variety color and sizes, and Emirates is proud to say they are the houses, the third large of the bird. So, what we waiting for? Let's join us, the three blue and a gold mako. We have first, who is this? Nari. And we have Jelly and Balti. So they are blue and a gold mako. They are long-living birds. They can live 60 or 60 years in captivity. And they are leafless in the wild because of predation, illegal hunting, and illegal killing. So as Balti and Jelly joining us here. So now let's talk about the physical feathers. As you can see, they have long and slender tails that they use to steering when they are flying between the trees. The tails will move from the left to right depending on the direction they are about to go. And they are soft to rest. So they will spread the tail and move it forward when they are about to slow down or stop. And now we have a customized bucket here. This bird is to pull the bucket all the way up to get the special treat inside. And this they can break the shell even the hardest nut or the walnut in the world. You can see how they are use their feet like we are human. Use hands to grab things, to eating, or to playing. And now, what next is the color. They have two distinct colors. What the color is this? Blue and yellow. Choose the name blue and a gold or the blue and yellow mako. Nari, Jelly, and Balti will show you those beautiful colors. It's windy, it's okay. Do it again. Oh wow. Jelly is a superstar. Yes, everybody, that's so beautiful. In fact, they also have a strong chest muscle that they use to lift their feet in the air. So they will flip their wings and then they can lift their body in the air. So everybody give a big round of applause for the blue and the gold mako. And now, we proceed to serious matters and let's calling down. So as we sit here this afternoon, it's sad to see a lot of animals and also birds are struggling their life in the wild. Most of them are endangered and almost extinct. Extinction means if the species considered extinct, we will never face or even meet them again. But endangered means we still have a hope to help to save them by simple things. Let them reproduce, and what should we do? We help to save our environment or the rainforest. So the problem that the bird face in the wild is illegal hunting, habitat destruction, and due to improve waste management. And here, Emirates would like to remind everybody there is no amount of money or advanced technology to solve the global waste problem. But if you have a discipline, like what Oli did here, and then we can save our nature. Do you guys agree? Yes. Of course, because that's very simple. Simple thing, if we do it all together, then we can make a big difference. So remind yourself because we still have more. Look at the center of the stage. We have the African spoonbill, and together, look at the sky, we will have the white pigeon. So from the coldest region of Antarctica to the hottest desert, birds are a remarkable group of animals. By seeing our birds here in Emirates Zoo, we hope you can take a greater care to our beautiful planet or the animals that we share with. So everybody, thank you so much for watching the birds presentation this afternoon. Enjoy your stay at Emirates Zoo and have a good day.